This newscast is brought to you by Lawo.
Following the success achieved at the NAB 2024 show in Las Vegas, Lawo continues its breakfast sessions tradition at Amsterdam and invites early IBC 2024 birds to its breakfast sessions at booth 8B90. IBC visitors are welcome to start their show day with a blend of insightful discussions, great coffee, and delicious German pastries. On Saturday, September 14th at 10 a.m., Bart Lucassen, Director of Engineering, HBS, will share his extensive expertise in a session titled Next Generation Processing Infrastructure for Global Sports Events. On Sunday, September 15th at 10 a.m., Frederik Bockhart, CTO of private broadcaster RTL Belgium, will offer insights into the transformation of the industry during his session, Reconsidering the Radio Landscape, IP, Virtual Interfaces, and Next-Generation Workflows. To register for the breakfast sessions, follow the QR code on your screen.
Joining the 10 existing Leitz Hugo focal lengths, the Hugo II lenses, so named for their slower aperture, introduce new options that offer some size advantages and slightly different looks with the 75mm and 90mm, while the 66mm fills the gap between 50mm and 75mm. The Leitz Hugo 66mm t2.1 lens is based on the fabled spy lens created like a lens designer Walter Mandler for the US Navy during the Cold War. Built for ultra-high-resolution imaging and never intended for the public, it's estimated that less than 200 were ever produced. By only slightly modifying the elegant simplicity of Mandler's original design, this lens sits alongside its modern siblings as a great pairing with an impressive pedigree. The Leitz Hugo 75mm t2.1 and 90mm t2.1 lenses come from the Leica Summicron M lenses. Being one stop slower than the T1.5 lenses allows them to be significantly shorter and lighter, nearly matching the dimensions of the rest of the T1.5 set wider than 50mm. With the addition of the Hugo II series, the Leitz Hugo family of lenses now includes 13 focal lengths from 18mm to 135mm. The lenses are available in LPL or L mounts.
DJI has introduced its new miniature yet capable Neo video drone. At only 135 grams, Neo smoothly lifts off from a human's palm, capturing footage automatically with full coverage propeller guards. Neo keeps an image optimally framed regardless of what it is filming, whether it is bike riding, skating, or hiking. The drone's intelligent shooting modes including follow, droney, circle, and more provide a dynamic range of options to elevate a footage. Neo supports 4K 30 frames per second rocksteady horizon balancing videos, keeping highlights and shadows sharp while staying stable in fast moves. The drone is flexibly controlled using DJI Fly app, which responds to Hey Fly, enabling hands-free control of Neo with voice commands. Paired with a smartphone, Neo can be controlled via virtual joysticks with support for customized tracking and distance adjustment.
Vislink has announced the appointment of Joseph Lipowski as its new Chief Technology Officer. A renowned RF and wireless expert, Mr. Lipowski brings over 2 decades of extensive experience leading high-performance technical teams and overcoming complex communication challenges in demanding environments. At Vislink, Mr. Lipowski will focus on advancing the company's technological offerings, ensuring Vislink continues to deliver world-class live video and data solutions that meet the evolving needs of its customers.
Magewell has released the USB Capture HDMI 4K Pro that will be demonstrated alongside other Magewell innovations at IBC 2024, Stand 7A44. The new product leverages 20 gigabits per second USB transfer performance on compatible host systems to enable the capture of 4K video at higher frame rates and color precision. When used with a host computer that has a 20 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface, the USB Capture HDMI 4K Pro can capture HDMI inputs up to 4096 by 2160 at 60 frames per second with 444 chroma fidelity. The device is also compatible with lesser performance USB 3.2, USB 3.1, and USB 3.0 interfaces for capturing lower video signals.
At IBC 2024, Telestream is set to unveil the VLS300, the newest member of the Vantage Lightspeed server family. As the first model of the next-gen Lightspeed servers, the VLS300 delivers a staggering 30% performance boost over its predecessor, thanks to its dual NVIDIA A4000 GPU configuration and state-of-the-art hardware components. Its robust design and advanced connectivity options make scaling and adapting users' operations seamless and straightforward. Featuring NVMe 800GB OS drives and dual 1.92 TB media storage RAID drive bays, this server is ready to handle the most demanding media workflows with ease. The VLS300 offers versatile Ethernet options, including 2-port 1GB 10GB RJ45, and is ready for additional 25G and 100G network configurations. Dear friends and colleagues, are you heading to the IBC Show 2024, just like briefly? If so, we offer you a win-win deal. Secure your spot for a video interview to promote your products, highlight your innovations, and attract more visitors to your booth.
Your message will reach hundreds or even thousands of media professionals. We guarantee you a professional approach with a stand-up and multi-angled B-roll footage that engages viewers more effectively than stand-up-only shots.
The video will be edited and published the same day or next morning at the latest. Pre-show video announcement to be included in briefly are also available. Our rates are more than friendly. Drop us a message if you're interested.
This newscast is brought to you by Lawo.